Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and today we're going to talk about the lifetime warranty in our industry. You know, a lot of you guys are making your buying decisions based on who has the lifetime warranty. I hear some of you say on social media that, hey, I'm not going to buy a window film if it doesn't have a lifetime warranty. So I want to sort of break the lifetime warranty down and really determine, is it worth it? You know, what are you really getting with the lifetime warranty? What are you not getting with the lifetime warranty? And maybe at the end of this, we can figure out what is worth it, okay? Let me just point something out here. I have a warranty card that we use at Flexfilm, and I'm gonna pull up the largest window film manufacturer in the world, and I've got their warranty right here. I don't wanna go over all these warranties and all the details, but let's just get to the point. Some of these warranties are more thorough than others, but at the end of the day, they're basically all the same. This one, for example, from the largest window film company says, factory-backed protection against cracking, bubbling, or color change. Listen, guys, there's a lot more things that can go wrong with a window film after it's been exposed by the sun over time than those three things. Our warranty at Flexfilm says Flexfilm provides a lifetime limited warranty against color instability, fading, peeling, cracking, adhesive failure, and delamination for as long as the original customer retains ownership of the stated vehicle. There's a lot more words here in this warranty than one of the top window film manufacturers. But you know what? What does that really mean? You know, let's look at a window film. What goes wrong with these films? Usually, you know, fading is what occurs in most dyed films. Color change is probably, that they go hand in hand, you know, as the film fades, it changes colors. And then most of the other failures are glue related, okay? The laminate layer of adhesive is a culprit that fails, and so is the mounting layer of adhesive. Now, we have things like the hard coat on and the polyester itself, and you know, lots of other little things that could go wrong with the film, but I'm not gonna go bogging everybody down with those details. I just want you to know that after time, if a window film fails in any way, if you really look at the wording of these warranties, you know, the way they are, the ball's not in your court, okay? The ball is in the manufacturer or the distributor's court, because, you know, like on the largest window film manufacturer in the world, you know, it says nothing about fading. You know, it just was going to protect you against color change, but not fading. That's a pretty big one. You know, everybody's going to jump on the lifetime warranty, but they don't even read between the lines. It doesn't even protect you against fading. And there's a lot of other things like delamination. You know, that's when the film splits in half, you know, because the two layers, the glue between the two layers fails. You know, peeling is when the mounting layer fails. Cracking is when the hard coat comes off. You know, there's so many things that can, I'm just saying, I'm repeating myself. So where does this put you, okay? Here's where I think it puts you. Because if you do have to file a claim, all you're going to get based on all these warranties is film replacement. That's it. They're going to mail you the film that's necessary to replace whatever was on the car that failed. If it was one window, you just get a little piece of tint that is to replace the bad film. If it's all the windows, okay, maybe you get maybe 5 feet for the back window on a 40-inch roll, and maybe 12 feet on a 20-inch roll. That's all you're entitled to based on the way these warranties are all written. So what really matters? In my opinion, what really matters is who are you doing business with, okay? Because really the warranties, there's a lot of leeway for these people simply not to pay you or do anything for you or make it hard for you to deal with. The people who you're buying film from, I believe, need to take care of you, okay? And that's what you probably need to look at. I mean, the warranties are great. They make you feel good, they make your customers feel good, and I believe they're necessary for you to run a thriving business, okay? But what's really gonna happen? I think you need to choose a distributor or manufacturer who's going to take care of you. And what I mean is they're not just gonna replace the film. They're gonna, of course, replace the film or the value of the film. Plus, they need to consider possibly the labor. I mean, really and truly, in our trade, we're providing a service, and we really need to get our time back. And we need to be compensated for our time if we're tinting windows. So not only the value of the film, but the time that it takes to take the film off and put the new film on. And shipping, if I'm gonna have to mail you something, or you're gonna have to mail something back, all that needs to be taken care of. If you've got a good film supplier, they're not only going to replace the film that basically is what they're supposed to do in their warranty for the life of the car, they're also going to take care of you in other ways too. And I believe those are the type of distributors that you're going to wind up doing business with and staying with the longest. It's the people who take care of you. And of course, the ones who are selling you film that's not failing. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that I've been able to put the lifetime warranty in a little more perspective to give you, to stimulate your thoughts in your business mind on how you're gonna, how much weight you're gonna place or how much emphasis you're gonna place on that particular warranty, because it's not about the warranty, it's way bigger than that. So hope this helps you out. Make the right decision. Thank you.